With the right techniques and tips, you can press your shirts at home and get that fresh from the dry cleaners look for a lot less money. Here's what you'll need. For best results, remove the shirt from the dryer as soon as possible. Smooth the wrinkles out by hand. Then hang it up until you're ready to iron. Next, fill the iron's water reservoir with distilled water. Then turn the iron on to the recommended heat setting for your shirt. And have a can of spray starch or a spray bottle of distilled water handy too. Get started by ironing the collar first. After spritzing with starch or water, begin ironing along the back edge of the collar, working your way towards the middle. Then move to the cuffs. Open each one, then spritz if needed. Iron the inside first to remove the main creases, then move from the edges toward the middle. Finish the cuff by pressing the outside, working your way in from the edges. Next, move to the sleeves. Smooth it out and spritz. Start at the cuff, working your way back toward the shoulder. Then flip it to touch up the underside before repositioning to the opposite sleeve. To press the front, start with the buttonhole panel. Smooth it, spritz it, and begin ironing at the bottom, moving towards the collar. Then repeat the process on the button side panel. Next, flip the shirt so that one half of the shirt back is on the board. Spritz, then begin ironing at the tail, working your way up towards the collar. Shift the back of the shirt over and repeat to finish up. When finished, hang the shirt and let it cool down completely. The wrinkle release action sets in during this phase, so it's worth the wait to ensure a crisp, well-pressed look. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.